Namaskar and hello and welcome everyone to my channel. In this video, I've covered the open interest of all the participants and tried to analyze the derivative data according to that. तो शुरू करते हैं हम इंडेक्स फ्यूचर्स के साथ और इधर हम इंडेक्स फ्यूचर्स में देखते हैं कि एफआईआईज ने ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल है. सम एफआईआईज हैव गॉन लॉन्ग, लेस देन दैट हैव गॉन short also in the market. Total net is gross net shorts have come down furthermore. So this is a good bullish sign from the FIIs even as the market moves into 18,000 territory. DII's fresh shorting ये more or less hedge है फ्यूचर पोजीशंस के अगेंस्ट उनका जो सॉरी कैश पोजीशंस के अगेंस्ट में जो वो hedge करते हैं अपना. Prop desk long, fresh long, and some short covering also. So right in the first day of the new settlement, some short covering, which could again also be due to this could be an hedge, a short Nifty versus a long stock, where the long stock has been unwinded and now that much has been removed, because this is just the first day of the expiry and they have done this like that. If it was something that they had to do, it could have been on Thursday itself, where they wouldn't have done a rollover of that short future, but could be anything from that. Clients, again, a house divided equally, long short, not some clients bullish, some clients bearish, but overall, net positions remain bearish from clients. So as the market is rising, clients are turning bearish, not just in the FNO segment, even in the cash segment. In the last 2 days, FIIs were buying worth almost 3,000 crores. The domestic institutional selling was not that much. The balance was met by the the clients. So clients looking for opportunities where they can exit the market even in cash. They're not that bullish going forward. But in social media, everyone appears to be bullish looking at very high. So it's very difficult to understand the scenario there from the client perspective. In the index calls and puts, the FIIs have done almost a 1:1 spread yesterday in calls and even in put. Now we know that the FII put buying of the index, bulk is a hedge against their future longs and their cash longs. And a little bit could be directional also. But what it tells us is that the FIIs are now looking at equidistance moves, both sides. But it is still a bullish sign because the ratio is almost neutral. So in spite of the hedge, they have longs in calls also out here. Domestic institution, nothing happened on Friday. Now prop desk. Prop desk, who were neutral on Thursday expiry day, neutral, totally neutral थे, वो फ्राइडे को बुलिश होके गए, नेट लॉन्ग इन कॉल्स एंड शॉर्ट्स और ऐड किया उन्होंने. सो प्रॉप डेस्क bullish for this week's expiry. Clients, on the other hand, who were also neutral on Thursday expiry, but काफी ज्यादा वॉल्यूम में उनका नेट शॉर्ट था, they have gone now bearish. They have shorted a larger quantity of calls and they have covered a bulk of their puts now. So the put figure that we see net short of clients could also be read as a 1:1 trade from their side right now out here, a 1:1 spread, if not a bearish one. But they are not bearish on market. They are, bullish on market. They are bearish. Look at this quantity which stands out from the clients out here. So ये क्लियर लग रहा है कि प्रॉप डेस्क बुलिश है थर्सडे के लिए, क्लाइंट्स बेरिश है थर्सडे के लिए, एफआईआई माइल्डली बुलिश टू न्यूट्रल स्टैंड है, बेरिश नहीं है एफआईआई स्टैंड. यहाँ इंडेक्स फ्यूचर्स में हम देख सकते हैं कि एफआईआई ने ज्यादा खरीदा है शॉर्ट की जगह. सो दोनों बैंक निफ्टी बोथ दे हैव बॉट मोर देन दे सोल्ड इन द इंडेक्स फ्यूचर्स. Now in the stock futures added a new column from today, future OI chain, the top 5 stocks in each segment. So I'll come to that now slowly. The FII in stock futures, 16,000 contracts of stock futures bought, 4,488 contract shorts. So for every 4 long, 1 short. तो ये तो क्लियर स्ट्रॉन्ग बुल इंडिकेशन है उनके तरफ से. स्टॉक स्पेसिफिक कुछ शॉर्टिंग किया है उन्होंने. डोमेस्टिक इंस्टीट्यूशंस shorting of stocks, typical hedge structure. So a lot of cash buying has been done by the domestic institution, or where they feel now with the market has moved from 17 to 18,000 that it is a good opportunity to take some hedging of their longs out here. Domestic institutions very smartly has started building call short positions, which we see when they start the expiry very slowly. They build it up as the premiums rise out here. Prop desk almost equal, बहुत ज्यादा difference नहीं है long short. Clients यहाँ फिर हम देख रहे हैं bearish, 400,600 stock futures shorted by clients. So clients clearly on bearish mode. Prop desk, FIIs, everybody are neutral to bullish modes out here. Now coming to this future OI change, these are the top 5 stocks where price has gone up and so has the OI. The top 5 highest OI change which took place on Friday in the market. These are the ones where price has gone down and the highest OI came. So maximum short build up. This is short covering stocks. Price going up, OI going down, and this is price and OI both going down. So long unwinding taken place out here. The only stock which came under long unwinding on Friday. So based on this, you can assess that who is buying, who is selling what, who is going both ways, and who's again selling out here. So based on that, you can look for strength and weakness in the charts. Might not be the same day, but over a period of time, that's how future data tries to tell us, give us a signal. Now in the option segment of stocks, not too much of a change in the call side, but on the put side, we see some additions from the FII desk out here. So beginning of the month, beginning of the settlement, some put buying has been done from them. Domestic institutions, as already explained. The prop desk has done, in fact, the opposite. They've sold more puts than calls on Friday. But again, look at the ratio. Could be a 1:1 or slightly more than that out here from them. Call side, it's almost 1:1 out here. So this may not be a bearish sign. It could be a 1:1 spreads being formed out there from them. But overall, they have also hedged and they've also got puts out here. Clients, on the other hand, are out here. They are doing both. But for every 2 calls bought, 1 put is the net figure, net or gross figure of put to net. They are always shorting puts and going long on calls. It's not a hedge strategy from their end. For tomorrow, Tuesday, May the 2nd, for Nifty, support comes in at 17,950 and below that 17,800. Resistance 18,200 and above that 18,325. For Bank Nifty, support comes in at 43,500, above that 43,800, while support comes in at 42,950 and below that at 42,600. I hope this video is of help to you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel and have a great week ahead, everyone. Bye-bye.